In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Google Drive getting stuck while zipping files, and get you back to managing your files without the headache. This is one of the most common frustrations Drive users run into. You kick off a zip and it just sits there. Here's what to do about it. Start by searching your Drive. Head to the search bar and type zip. This filters your files instantly, so you can confirm you're working with the right ones before troubleshooting anything else. Next, check your internet speed. This is the #1 culprit. Zipping large files over a slow connection makes Drive look frozen when it's really just struggling to keep up. Run a quick speed test. There are plenty of free ones online. And pay attention to your upload speed in particular. If it's slow, try switching networks or restarting your router before anything else. Clear your browser cache. A bloated cache quietly breaks more things than people realize, and Drive's zipping function is no exception. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache, restart, and try again. Takes 2 minutes and often solves the problem entirely. Split your files into smaller groups. Drive wasn't built to zip massive batches in one shot. Instead of selecting everything at once, grab a handful of files at a time. Smaller batches zip faster, fail less, and are easier to manage if something goes wrong. Still stuck? Go outside Google Drive entirely. Download your files first, then use a desktop app like 7-Zip or WinRAR to handle the compression locally. It's faster, more reliable, and removes Drive from the equation completely. Work through these steps in order, and you'll get past the freeze. Thanks for watching, and happy zipping!